Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to turn off notifications in Windows 10 on either PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So on Windows 10, they've got a feature where you'll get notifications pop up in the bottom right-hand corner down here. And the notifications would be for things like, for example, like Facebook, it could be emails and other sorts of things like that. So there is a way to turn this off because it can be quite distracting. And what you need to do is if you come to the bottom right-hand corner of the taskbar, and next to the clock here, you'll see the little kind of speech bubble. And that's actually the notification button. So if you give that a click, and what's going to happen, that's going to open up the notifications bar. And then if you look at the top right hand corner, at the very top, it will say manage notifications. So if you go ahead and give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you into the settings and into the notification settings. And you can see from here to turn your notifications off, there's a little toggle button just here, and it says get notifications from apps and other senders. And you can turn this off and on. By doing this, that's going to disable all notifications from all apps and everything you've got set to send you notifications. If you scroll down, you'll see you can actually do it individually as well. So all the apps that you've got set to receive notifications from, you can actually set to turn off and on individually. So for example, if I wanted to stop receiving notifications from Skype about, I don't know, Skype calls or things like that, I would just simply click to turn them off. So that's not going to disable all my notifications, that's only going to disable my ones for Skype. So that's how you do it. So if you want to disable them for individual apps, you need to come down slightly down the page, and you can just go through the apps and choose which ones you want on or off. Or if you simply want to disable the notifications altogether, all you need to do is click this one at the very top here, and that's going to stop the notifications from appearing. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below where you'll be able to click and buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.